an interview on Tuesday on Royal Media Citizen TV. In that interview, I said I have certain evidence of persons associated with the Deputy President who were linked to this famous company called Kilik. Like I said, I know Wilbrod Batey, who is a partner in Kilik, with Mr. Zhu, his Chinese partner. And I know at some point, when they were not able to secure financing for the importation of the kits which had been committed, they had a commitment letter from Kensal. They transferred their shareholding to persons who are known partners of the Deputy President. So I came here to present that information and that evidence today, and I am expecting very soon that they will also be calling the Deputy President to come and make his statement